Hi guys, if you're new here, I have lost 160 pounds in the last 22 months. Cheers. All right. Shot. 7.5, week 4 of maintenance. And I was 153.6 today. So I'm maintaining. This is going on the 4th week of 7.5 in maintenance. Doing good. Food noise, I kind of just feel like everything's about the same, and I'm doing all my lifestyle changes like I normally do. All my drinks, my proffies, my water, exercise, all that. Haven't changed anything, so doing good. Shot. All right, so I injected into the right abdomen. And then next week it's either going to go back again into the left arm. So remember, it's not that hard, you guys. Like, just practice with your pin, having it closed. And then you have like the fatty part here. You just like put one arm across, go across there here like a hug, reach from underneath. And you can either go like this up into the skin, or you can reach around this way and go like this. So you would push it, and then you would push the button. On the skin, of course, not with a sweater on. But yeah, just kind of practice. Like, I know this side, I'm right-handed, so this was a lot easier. But if I had this arm, I would switch over and I would do the same thing. You just kind of have to practice with the lid on and see what part feels comfortable. Hopefully that'll help you guys. Especially my newbies or anybody who's been afraid to try the back of the arms. Just do it. It really doesn't hurt, like for most people. I was scared at first too, and it just took a while. Or another thing you can do is you can put your arm like this, and the fat will be down here, and you can push up, click it, right? You can do it that way. You can go like this. Like, it's amazing. Like, that's really easy to do. But we don't think about pushing it from like this. That way you're not having to like try to squeeze the skin. I mean, like if you're squeezing it, you can't, right? You can't do that. So you kind of just use your pin to push in the fat and then push it. All right, hopefully that helps you guys. I'm on 7.5, week 4, and I took 10 milligrams for 10 months, and it was wonderful. It was my sweet spot. Doing good right now on this one too, on maintenance.